Today we are going to add Favicon on our page. I have created a very simple code for the page here. Here you have a title, Learn Favicon, and H1 heading and a paragraph. Here is the output of that code. Now, what is Favicon? Here, if you often visit a web page, here you will see some small icon like logo that is called Favicon. To do that, what I have done is I have created an image here. You can also download copyright free image and use that. But here I have created the image. I have taken a circle with gray background and some letters. Please note that try to keep the image size small as this is an icon, and also try to keep it like a square. So after I have exported this as PNG, here favicon.png, what I have done is I have converted this image into .ico using an online service. For that, here on your browser you can search png to ico and you can use an online service. What you need to do is just upload your image and there will be a button. If you click that, it will convert the image into ico file. So here is the png image, here is the ico file. Please note that this ico file is very small, 128 into 128, and my png file size was bigger, 208 pixel into 208 pixel. In order to add the favicon, here after title let us add link. You have already on VS Code link colon favicon, but if you do not have this, what to do? I'll proceed that way. So click link, rel equals would be icon, href equals would be, you have to put your correct address. My image is in the same folder as the web page, so dot means current folder, then slash, and then you add the icon. Now you also have to mention the file type. So here is type image slash x dash icon. Save. Now reload the page. Here you have the favicon. You could also use PNG as favicon. Browsers nowadays accept that, but in some old systems they may be expecting .ico file. So it is safer to use .ico file. That is all for today. Thank you.